So hello Facebook. This is an update video to show you that I've been very busy. Most of you will see now that I've got my 7 princesses. So we've got Aurora, we've got Elsa, we have Ariel, we have Snow White, Cinderella, Jasmine and Belle. Now this video really what it's actually about, it's not about these 7 princesses because I know many of you have seen them already. It's actually about these colour your own princesses. Now I've had lots of requests for specific princesses, you know, like Moana or yeah, anyway, I can't think of what they're all called, but you know what I mean. There's loads of princesses that I haven't done yet, and I do appreciate that you all have your favourite one. So as a compromise, I don't know if it's good enough, but I think it would be really nice. I did 2 of the princesses as colour your own. I picked Cinderella and I picked Aurora mainly because they had the different hairstyles, and I thought, for example, you could turn this one into the frog princess by giving her darker hair, a darker skin tone and a lovely green dress. And you know, you could just experiment just with different colours and different hairs and different dresses and kind of make them your own, or just personalise them and create a whole new princess. So these 2 to me felt like they were the most neutral princesses that would look really nice customised into your own one. So although we do have all these fabulous classic traditional princesses for you to have a go at, I did create these 2 printables for free, as with all my other ones, that you can use and colour and make your own. Now here comes my request. So making all these, there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oh hello, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's even more than this. Took me ages, right? They took a long time, and I don't mind that because I thought they were really fun to do, and I know that you guys are really appreciating them. However, I have not made these yet, so I would love you to have a go at these and send me your photos. And I'm going to pick the best 3 ones, and I'm going to add them to my blog post and to you know, my Facebook page and Pinterest and all that kind of stuff, you know, as a thank you. So if you have a go at making these colour your own ones with your kids or on your own, it doesn't really matter. I would love to see your photos, and if you want, I would like to add them to my blog as well. And I think it would be really special to see what things you come up with. And there's one more thing I wanted to say actually, whilst I waffle on. I've made these as ornaments, as you know, so they're my Christmas ornaments for a Disney-inspired Christmas tree. However, they all stand as well, right? So I think these make really nice paper dolls to have a little story with. So, and what's even better, if you flatten them, they pop into an envelope, look how thin they are, and you can store them, and you can take them with you, I don't know, to the coffee shop or on holiday, or visiting family, and then you have a little play toy whilst you're out and about. So I think these princesses are really cute, not just because they make nice ornaments and they're really colourful, but actually because they make a really lovely little play toy as well. Anyway, that's enough from me. I just wanted to show you my printables. Please have a go at them. Please send me your photos. And yeah, hopefully see you again soon. Take care. Bye.